All right, starting it, baby. Yeah. Pull this one out. And do that backyard mechanicing. Yeah. Call me the problem solver. See that? Bam. Works great. Then, grab my old boat, the old one that I had in there. Put it in there. Grab the old one, put the old one back in there. And get it tight. Then finish sucking it in. Works great. Need to go in there some more. Look like got the install. In there. And there. Like and subscribe. Appreciate it.